Hey guys, this is your girl Flowell, and yes, this is the real Flowell. So I am the CEO of Flowell Group, and we do a lot of things. We have the property side of it, and we have so many other things, the management, as well as we have an academy where we train you. I'm about to review 3 effortless side hustles that anyone can start to potentially earn up to $115,000 a month. To achieve this, you need an income stream generating about $500 a day, a goal much closer than you might think. So, with countless ways to make money online, even the busiest or most laid back individuals can start earning today. My aim is to share the simplest ways to launch a side hustle online with minimal investment. No need to become an influencer and no upfront costs for supplies or inventory. Many have started these side hustles I'll be sharing with you after watching my video and achieve incredible results. If they can do it, why not you? I'll break down each side hustle step by step and provide links to free course in the description below so you have no excuse not to start today. Plus, we will harness the power of AI tools to make it even easier. Let's dive into the first idea. The first lazy side hustle idea is selling digital products, and this is an AI assisted way. So, we're creating and selling digital products, and this can be time consuming in the past, but we will take the lazy route by using AI to do the heavy lifting. Here's how. The first step is to start with ChatGPT. Everyone loves ChatGPT. It's a free AI tool that is simply there for you to ask you what to do. So we're going to simply ask, what are the best digital products to sell online? Once you have a list, narrow it down by asking for top selling topics for an ebook. So you pick a niche that resonates with you. For example, productivity. The third step is you ask ChatGPT to write a detailed ebook about productivity. Then copy the output. Number 4, the fourth step is you head over to Canva and you create a free account and you choose an ebook template. Then paste your content, customize it with added value or unique touches, and you have got a polished digital product ready to sell. List your product on platforms like Etsy or your own website. The whole process can be completed in under 10 minutes. For a deeper dive, check out my free course link below in the description. Lazy side hustle number 2 is launching an online store with AI. So over 2.6 billion people shop online. Maybe you don't know this. And this number has grown year over year. So it's easier than ever to get a piece of the action without handling inventory. Thanks to AI powered store builders, here is how you can get started. The first step is you click on the link in the description to access a free AI store builder. Enter your name, email, and select a niche, e.g. fashion, pets, electronics. If you're unsure, let the tool choose for you. The third step is in minutes, the AI will create a fully functional online store with preloaded winning products. Amazing, right? You don't need to manage your inventory or shipping. The supplier handles everything, leaving you to pocket 100% of the profits. Integrate your store with AutoDS, a platform that automates product sourcing, pricing, and fulfillment. So AutoDS also offers a free month for new users. I have a link in my description. Lazy side hustle number 3, faceless YouTube channel. If you are in my YouTube, you realize that I have been using AI to get videos out there. Yes. So you've already seen this on YouTube. So why not just use it to earn? Faceless channel in nearly every niche use stock footage and voiceover to create engaging videos. Many of these channels make tens of thousands of dollars monthly just from ad revenue alone. Here's how you can get started. You can use AI tools like ChatGPT to generate video ideas and scripts. Step 2. Combine these with stock footage from platforms like Pixel or Storyblocks. Step 3 is you want to use editing tools or softwares to compile your videos and add voiceover, which can be AI generated voiceover. Yes. For example, a channel like Top Fives produces simple narrative videos and earns over 400,000 annually from views alone, according to Social Blade. With affiliate marketing and sponsorship, the income potential is even greater. Starting this side hustle is easier than ever, but staying consistent and putting in the effort to actually scale them is the key. While working my 9 to 5 job as a full-time worker, I have managed to grow my business into thousands of dollars worth of business. If I can do it, so can you. Check out the free resources linked below, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more tips and inspiration. Best of luck with your side hustle journey. See you in the next video. Bye bye.